Alright, this video is for all my YouTuber do-it-yourselfers. I have an '06 Dodge Charger and I was having trouble with the parking mechanism, and I came up with this little device after taking it apart to learn how to uninstall it and reinstall it to fix that spring situation. I didn't want to buy a replacement because I knew that it might snap and break also. So what I did was I took the little pink plastic piece, and right around the area where it was broken at, I drilled a hole, as you can see right here. And I took a little key ring hook and I put it through a hole and reinstalled the spring to it. And it actually holds pretty good. Let me see if I can sit this down. The key loop is pretty strong, so it's not going anywhere. It's pretty sturdy. And when I put it back on, and just latch it back down here. Get this latched back on for you guys. As you can see, the spring is holding pretty good. It's pretty tight. Got good resistance in it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and reinstall it back on my charger. And I'll post another video once it's fixed, showing you guys that it works and it's pretty strong. See, it's sturdy. It's not going anywhere. So I'll be back in a sec.